أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So in this dialogue you will learn how to ask each other about the Ramadan routine. So Riyaz ask Maza what yafalu do Abuka your father fi in Ramadan. Maza yafalu Abuka fi Ramadan. What does your father do in Ramadan? Yasumu he fast fi in an-nahar the day. Fala yakul so he neither eats wala yashrab nor he drinks. Yasumu fin nahari fala yakulu wala yashrabu. He fasts during the day, so he neither eats nor he drinks. Wamaza and what yafalu do fi in al-masa the evening. Wamaza yafalu fil masa. And what does he do in the evening? Bada after Azan il Maghrib, Azan of Maghrib. Yuftiru he breaks fast. Wa yusalli and he prays Salah. Bada Azan il Maghribi Yuftiru wa yusalli. After the Azan of Maghrib, he breaks fast and he prays Salah. Maza what yaf'alu he does. Bada after Zalika that. Maza yafalu ba'da zalik. What does he do after that? Yusalli he prays Alisha the Isha. Wat Torawi and Torawi fil masjid in the mosque. Yusalli al-Isha'a wa Tarawiha fil masjid. He prays Isha and Tarawi in the mosque. Samia, do you hear us?